entire body cavity was just a huge tumor.
The only hope, a miracle. Hear the amazing tale of how one little girl beat the odds in the fight for her life. News 4 Texas medical reporter John Hammerly shows you how a family turned their tragedy into a medical miracle. A special Mother's Day report, tonight at 10 on News 4 Texas.
Differently.
Also ahead, meet an 8-year-old medical miracle, winning the battle against cancer. From medical concerns to a medical miracle. An 8-year-old girl in Plano tonight has overcome overwhelming odds.
That's right, and for her mom, that is the best Mother's Day gift ever. Medical reporter John Hammerly joins us now with a story. John?
Mark and Julia, it's probably every mother's nightmare, hearing your child has cancer. That's exactly what Reggie Brunk heard from her doctor a few years ago. At the time, she and her family feared the worst. Tonight, thanks to a medical miracle, those fears have faded.
I got this deal.
Pizza?
Oh, did you?
Puppies? And palling around with your family. Pretty normal stuff for an 8-year-old. Normal enough to take for granted. Unless, that is, you were told 6 years earlier you had cancer.
What I think was the saddest thing was they found out that I had cancer on my sister's birthday. That was the last picture that they thought, that was the last picture before they thought I was going to die.
Children such as Noelle represent the greatest challenge of all in having very widespread disease, a diagnosis that in the past has not responded well to treatment.
When Noelle was about 2, she got sick, and her mom took her to the doctor. Her neck was swollen. A few tests confirmed the worst, metastatic neuroblastoma, a rare cancer that silently multiplies inside a toddler's body.
Her entire body cavity was just a huge tumor.
6 pounds.
Her whole body
6 pounds.
body cavity was just a tumor, and this was the top of the tumor was coming out of her neck here.
Noelle's chances were bleak. At best, 35%. At worst, less than 5. The Brunks never hesitated. Try everything. So the doctors did. 7 days of chemotherapy, 3 days of full body radiation. Then a bone marrow transplant. 10 straight days of hell.
She was so burnt. Her little body was just fried. I mean, she was just fried. You couldn't touch her anywhere because it hurt her. I mean, to try to comfort her, you couldn't do it because she hurt.
It was a time to doubt.
Late at night when she was throwing up, when she was, so little and just throwing up, you just think, am I doing this for her or for me? I mean, I think I did have doubts.
Still, Noelle managed to smile.
Happy birthday to you.
Slowly, Noelle's body came back. The giant tumor shriveled. Bald but beautiful, Noelle celebrated one birthday and then another.
Press up.
She's lived through more than most of us ever will. Now, more than 5 years of cancer-free life, Noelle is concentrating on important stuff, like beating the tar out of visitors on her Nintendo.
She is a miracle child. They don't know why what happened. We feel very, very fortunate for Noelle to be with us.
Speaking as a mother, I mean, that's, what more could you want? Your children are here and they're healthy, That's it. I mean, that's the most important thing, There's nothing else that matters.
Noelle still faces some health obstacles. She's hearing impaired and she's taking growth hormone to build her physique. But all in all, she and her family are doing really well. Mark and Julia?
Beautiful testament that miracles really do happen.
It sure does. God bless her. Well, it's a miracle.